Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, watch me.
So I've been waiting on my new t-shirts, my new t-shirt designs, based on my book, I Am a Dahomey Warrior. And we get 2 packages. So my other t-shirts were more retro. Oh, I got my white t-shirts for summertime. Ooh, V-neck. Very nice. I hope you guys like. Yeah, I like that a lot. And the second one, these are my Tester bunch. So it's the same shirt. Oh, it looks so awesome. Golly. Okay. And this is my black one, which you're used to seeing, but it's not the retro look. It's more realistic. Oh, the black look. It looks good against the black, too. Now, these are just a rounded collar. Very nice. Oh, man. So, I hope you like my shirts. This one. Here's the other. Both based on my book, I Am a Dahomey Warrior, which is available on Amazon, or you can get it straight from me. If you're interested in a t-shirt, let me know. Also, just leave your comments and thoughts on the shirts. And if you've read the book, feel free to leave a review on the book. Okay, I'll talk to you.